Cyber Traders. Good to see you all back. Hopefully everyone is all fat and stuff from Thanksgiving. It's nice to be back. Went on vacation this past week. I hope you guys didn't miss me. I know everyone here at the Stats CTO definitely took care of you. I heard there was a couple of good action stocks out there. Just a little heads up. You know, I have my youngest one is big in sports. He's got his big wrestling. So it was the only day we can go away this week, but I'm not going to look like I'm probably going to go anywhere away till probably like February now. So, you know, it's always nice to go with the family. It was good. But hopefully everybody had a nice Thanksgiving. I know we had some great Black Friday deals going on. Hopefully everybody signed up for those great promos. Hey, listen, it's one time a year we do it. Go out there and benefit from it. But with that said, it's a couple of big movers. Got this nice little pop on this THAR that's moving up pretty nice. I see a bunch of you guys looked at it early this morning. I mean, this thing, beauty. Right out of the gate, what a great little stock. 347. Are you kidding me? All the way past 5? I love it. Well, guess what? There's a ladder effect going on in the stock right now. There was a huge iceberg order that showed up on it. I'm going to bring it up to you in the next few moments. And for everyone on social media, you guys are going to love seeing that one too, because that's why we're here. We're here to follow the money, and that's what it's all about. But before we do that, let's go through some of the things that happened on Friday. Now, we all know, for some of you here, that are new, or some of you have been here for a while, you don't know how to expect to see what a half a day is all about, like on a Friday, coming back from Thanksgiving. Now, some days are great. Some days are, you know, of those half days. And we do get a couple of them, like on Good Friday. I think there's a couple other ones too. I think it's 2 or 3. Thanksgiving obviously being one of them. I think there's another one. I don't know off the top of my head. But you get those half days. Depending on major holidays, depending on like New Year's Eve or Christmas or something like that, you might get that also, depending on how the day works out. But there were a lot of nice stocks that were making some big moves. Let's talk a little bit about them really quick before we go through a watch list. So a couple of stocks that moved unbelievable. Anyway, Coinbase, unbelievable run up. Now, I'm really ticked off at myself because I sold it and had to buy the damn thing back while I was on vacation. Listen, I do not like to own stock when I go on vacation. You want to enjoy your time off, but I saw this thing starting to go back up. I got so ticked off. I sold it at 95. I ended up buying it back at, I think it was like 101. And I might just sell it now and just take my profit on it. I like trading it. It's been moving really, really nice. Coinbase, a lot of us saw the stock. We've all been trading right around this 70. When it had a big run up there. So it's been a fun stock for us to trade, but just be very careful. It is a category 5. The other ones didn't move as great though. I'm kind of shocked. Like Mara didn't move as well as Bitcoin, and it moved okay. It went from 8 to about 11. And same thing with Riot, you know, a little bit of move, but the coin is been the big mover on the Bitcoin stock list. A couple other ones also that made up. Nuvo moved up pretty nicely too. These are all swing trades. These are all swing trades that moved up pretty nicely that we've been watching for a while. Once again, Nuvo, for some of you who don't know, that's that weight lossing drug. That's Ozempic. You know, they've been killing it. But I'm really going to keep an eye on Lilly because Lilly's got this new one that's coming out, and it's not ready. It's got FDA approval. It's coming out like in January. So we're going to keep a close eye on that one too. A couple other stocks that made some big moves. We're going to cover them before we go through the watch list. We had the BKKT. That one was a really nice little cheap little mover, $1.50 to $2 stock. It was slow. It was comfortable. It was kind of boring, but you could see it. You know, overall, you done at 1 o'clock, made this big move. It wasn't terrible. What was the other one that moved up? The CLSK. CLSK was also another very, very nice mover right here. Once again, a lot less expensive than the other ones. $4 stocks, boom, $5 all the way to $5.50. And then there's one right now that's moving that is going back on the watch list that's moving pretty well. That was another one that moved on Friday, was the SPRC. SPRC had a huge run. You could see it had a big move in pre-market, but it built beautiful Fausto flags right here, had a couple of halts that went on, shot all the way up to about $14. Here's a stock that was right around when it started at $9.30, around like $8, almost a double there, almost 100%. But she came crashing down. A lot of you here should have saw, you know, and I could tell just by looking how it was trading right there. A lot of algorithms, a lot just a lot of consolidation going on there, and you can see it started making a higher low. So everybody should have got out of that position by then. But was a really, really nice pop as of Friday. So listen, Thanksgiving's over. Okay, it's Monday. Market's down about 58 points right now. I wouldn't get super crazy today. It's Monday. Come back from a big holiday. You got Cyber Monday. You got traveling Tuesday deals that are coming out. You got the Cyber Trading University Black Friday deals, and Cyber Monday deals here too also. So please make sure you take advantage of those. But everyone should be in the shopping mode. And with that, you got to be careful a day like today. So a lot of people went on vacation. I told you this. A lot of kids were off on Wednesday. So people are going to start coming back on Monday, Tuesday. So I'm not expecting it to be that volatile, but doesn't mean that we won't find anything, because there were some stocks that did make some big moves. We always find something, just like this stock THAR, which I want to show you up in just about another minute, because there's a couple of good little iceberg orders that just show up on this stock. Big block orders that got filled. So let's go through that watch list. What do you say, right? So we got this stock, THAR. Nice little move, cheap little stock, right around 8.15. Finally made a move around 3.75. Went up to this $5. And what I want you to look at is right here. There was a big iceberg order that showed up right around here. It was right around, let me show you right here, about 71,000. See it right there? He ran it, but he pulled his order. Once he pulled his order, you could see sellers start to come up. Stock we're around 9:06 in the morning right now. We got a little bit more than 20 minutes before the market opens up. It's got great volatility. I mean, trade 3.8 million shares. It's been hovering here since about 8:30, right around this range. It's consolidating. You could see the stock right here. It must have been a reverse stock split, because that's the only reason why it looks that way. 20 cents going up to about $4. But we cover this in class. A lot of you know how to deal with stock splits and reverse stock splits specifically. Reverse stock splits are really not a good sign. Okay, but in this case, from what it looks like, the spreads will get tighter. It might get a little bit more volatile. I just don't like it right now, how it's breaking new lower lows. I'm not seeing any orders out there. So the party might be over for the stock. Another one that's moving up pretty well right now. It just came out of the watch list right now. It just popped. BDRX. I don't have it on my level 4. I'm going to bring it up right now and see what's going on. 800,000 shares, 350. Stock's already at 450. There we go. All right, so you can see we got big orders starting to show up. A couple algorithms coming up right here. Not volume, tier sizes are really, really bad. So I would stay away from it until the market opens up, because as I see right now, remember, 50% of you fail. And if you're watching online, you know what I'm talking about, fail because you're trading stocks that are not tradable. This stock right now, even though it's not that expensive, I already probably give it a category 3 or 4, probably a 4, because tier size is small, but she is looking good. Ooh, buyer just showed up right now at 460. You can see him right there. Boom, 2,500. Just made a nice little pop. You can see 450. It's kind of pushing it up a little bit. So another nice little mover. Sometimes these things pop up last minute. Another one that's moving up pretty well too here. Oh, look, it's the biggest percent. It just made the biggest percentage gainer, number 1 on the list. Next one that's moving, that's kind of quiet, is this stock. Probably a level 1 stock. I like it. Trades 7 million shares. If you're a beginner trader, this might be up your alley. There's a big order right now for about 96,000 at $1.17. So APLM, not a terrible stock. We'll keep an eye on that one too. There's a stock that's been, you can see here on a long-term chart, this stock got destroyed, just hammered. When public just come down, but she's been moving up pretty nicely. She's been a pretty decent swing trade, very, very cheap little stock. So not a terrible stock. Another one, CAPT, IPO, $1.20. You can see it's at 220. I would be careful of that one too. It's moving okay. Like I said, it's a new IPO. Volume is okay. Does it have good iceberg orders? CAPT, Captain T. Let's see what Cap T is doing. Yeah, we got some ladders going on right here from $3, 8,000, 9,000. You can see how it's really having a tough time breaking this resistance levels right here. So not bad. I mean, I like the price. Just don't like it hasn't been trading that long. All right, so right now we're at 7%, number 5 on the list, which is way out of our league. We want to stay away from that. New York Stock Exchange, what's happening over here? Stock's really flat. This stock is up 7%. You can see it's already pretty bad. Losers, any good losers? This one just got destroyed right now. It just came in from nowhere. Nothing there. Boyle's getting crushed, huh? Wow. Didn't we have Boyle? You know what? This is where I get happy. We did really well on Boyle. I'm just so glad I got out of it. When that stock finally broke that $60 price range, 65. I mean, I know a lot of us were trading it, and we had it during this reverse stock split. But this is called a gap fill. This is not good at all. Okay, not good at all. So you're going to have to wait for a while. You factor in the reverse stock split. You can see right here, 36 is pretty big support levels right here. So what's nice about we look at different charts. Some of them implement the stock split. Some of them don't. But you could see if you didn't factor in the reverse stock split when it did it, now you can kind of get a sense of where support and resistance levels are. So 35 is really out, but this is not looking good in Boyle. This is the problem when you trade these ETFs. Everyone's always a fan of trading ETFs, but sometimes you got to be careful because they do pull crap like this, and you got to watch out. This is Coca-Cola. Just happen to take a look at it and see what's happening on this one. Most active list. All right. So Monday, not a very great day of trading, especially come back from a really big holiday, which is the most popular holiday here in the United States, where everyone trades it, no matter what religion you are, whatever. Everyone celebrates Thanksgiving. So a lot of kids are on break. So I'm not expecting you to have too much action going on, but we will find things that will move. Listen, market opens up, things pop up last minute. Like I said, just like the BDRX that just had a little bit of a move right there. So anything I'm missing, cyber traders, that I did not call out? The BDR, it looks so fun. I'm just looking at some of the chats right now. It seems like everybody on social media and everyone here on the trading room saw the BDRX. No, I will keep an eye on it. I like it. It's building a ladder effect on it too. Let me just show you one more time. See the ladder coming in? See this guy keeps showing up right here for 2,000. This guy's awesome. See him right there? You can see he keeps like bidding it up. But you see how he just did that? He's bidding it up. This is what we do. We follow the money. Remember, no Fibonacci can tell you that. Let's get ready for the market open up. We got 15 minutes, cyber traders. If you're watching on social media, we will be back here at 2:30. Please check out our promos that we have to help join our trading room. You can always click that QR code to always join us on the top left-hand corner. Just take your phone, scan it, and cyber traders. Yes, another thing too, I forgot to mention too, class today. That's right. So we just posted up. You got phase 1, 2. You got phase 1 going this week, phase 2 going next week, and phase 3 the following week. So if you're a student or you want to get in those classes, talk to your education advisor at Cyber Trade University or email us and we'll help tell you how to get into. Because remember, you have to learn before you can earn. Good luck, everybody. We'll see you back when the market opens up. All right, everyone? Happy trading.